Back inside the Batangas City Coliseum for your Maharlika Pilipinas Basketball League. My name is Andrea Endicio, and right now we will be having our halftime interview together with the head coach of Marikina, Coach Jello Nebres, and of course one of the players of Basilan, the mayor of Zamboanga City, Mayor Kaimer Olaso. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining. Gusto lang po kitang kamustahin. How do you feel now that you are suited up and playing for Basilan? And a while ago, you just scored your first points here in the MPBL.
Well, ma'am, first and foremost, thank you to Be Still na binigyan ako ng chance to play with the pro. This is my dream ever since I was in college. Kaso nga, hindi ako naging pro kasi naging seaman po ako. Naging kapitan po ako ng barko. Been sailing for 18 years. Then sabi ko, it's about time. Hindi ako magaling maglaro. Pero I'm here to inspire the young ones. Sabi ko nga, tama na muna yung gadget. Go to sport, basketball, swimming, individual good brain that can improve the children's, you know. Mahirap na parati lang tayo sa gadget. So that's my thing. That is why I'm here playing with Bistil Basilan po.
That is indeed very nice. Pero Mayor, anong masasabi nyo with the growing partnership and friendship of Basilan and Zamboanga City, especially through sports?
Of course, I'm very thankful sa sa kay Governor Muji Pataman, who happened, the team patron, who happens to be my colleague in the 19th Congress nung pares pa kaming congressman. Then to the team owner, Vice Mayor Hejem Purigay, who happened to be my very good friend. To the Basilan Steel Management, Matthew David, Team Manager Monsalve, maraming salamat po sa tiwala na binigay sa akin. Basilan and Zamboanga is just an adjacent city. It's just about an hour away by boat. Kaya sabi ko, we speak the same language, Jabacano, Tausug, and Yakan. Nagsasalita rin po yung mga ibang taga Zamboanga. Kaya sabi ko, nagmamahalan po kami. And we are here, I'm here to support the Basilan and of course, playing with them also.
And last but not the least, Mayor, as a public servant and now a professional basketball player, ano po bang gusto nyong mensahe na iparating, lalo na sa mga kabataan, especially now that you are playing in this kind of league?
Sabi ko nga, it's never too late. Stay away from drugs. Yung bisyo, inom, sigarilyo, tanggalin nyo muna yan. Because me, as a city mayor right now and as an athlete, I never smoke, I never drink until now. Hindi pa ako umiinom. Naging kapitan ako ng barko. Kasama ko yung dating kapitan ko dito, si Captain Manolo Iborra from Batangas din. Nandito siya. Sabi ko nga, never ako umiinom sa barko. Sabi niya pa sa akin, dagdakan mo. Sabi ko, sir, hindi ko na kaya. It's not like before, the younger years kaya natin. But then, I'm very happy to play and thankful to Be Still, ma'am, sa inyo po sa MPBL. Maraming salamat to give me this opportunity. Of course, pwede kong batiin mga sponsors, ma'am. Sa Be Still Sports Promotion, Anak Mindanao Party List, Triple H Construction Developer, ZZ Golden Motors, PAL Maritime Corporation, Onyx Sportswear, and Power Hoop Sportswear. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa uniforms namin.
Maraming salamat po and very nice words from Mayor Kaimer Olaso. Wag po kayong aalis, magbabalik pa rin po ang MPBL.